Hey guys, when you're considering your next woodworking project and the joints you're going to use, I would keep in mind these next 4 points. So they're the key indicators of how well the joint's going to perform over time. So first is the stress mechanism. This relates to what are you asking the joint to do? Second is the grain direction in the wood. Third has to do with dimensional change, specifically relating to the moisture exchange in the wood over time. And fourth, last but not least, is the surface condition of the main joint pieces, how well it's been milled and prepared. In my next series of videos, I'm going to be going over each one of these points in detail. If you like these kind of videos, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. That's what keeps these videos going. Hope to see you guys there.